You guys can hear me if anybody is out there. I have Sheriff's Deputy Langlois from the Allegan County Sheriff's Department saying he's going to arrest me and he's going to tow my car because we are here. Let me see if I could switch this camera around.
And I've shook this guy's hand before too.
There we go. All right, guys. So he's here trying to arrest me. This is our setup. So we are nowhere near the 100-foot mark, which is the drain in the road, right between where that silver truck and that car are pulling out. That's the 100-foot mark where you can't be past it in the other direction, because those doors right there are the doors to get into the precinct. And the law clearly says we can't be within 100 feet. We also can't be impeding anybody from getting in.
This is the problem here, folks.
So he says going to arrest me if we don't leave right now, because the township owns this property and the township said that we have to leave. Funny thing is, the township has a resolution that specifically says we have the right to be here. And he doesn't want to read the resolution again. He doesn't want to talk about it. He doesn't want to read the law or the constitutional provisions that allow us to be here. So,
This is the way we vote. Absolutely.
Yep. He says that the prosecutor gave him permission to come and arrest me, and that's all he needs to know. This is in Allegan County. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can call the sheriff's office. Because his boss has already been, Allegan County, because his boss has already been on the phone saying that he knows we do have the right to be here as long as we're not within the 100 feet, which is what the law says. And like I said, that part way over there, that drain right there, is actually where they've already come out and they've marked the 100 feet in red. And so we can't be, another one is coming out to arrest me. Don't know if you guys can see that. So they've got two of them coming out here to arrest me and tow my vehicle. And the 100-foot mark, that's way up there, you just can't be between where people go in and the 100-foot mark. So I'm here because I have volunteers who have come out today to collect signatures for the Restore Freedom Initiative petition. I told them they had to be more than 100 feet away. Did you call my husband?
I have him on here, but I haven't dialed him.
Oh, please. Oh, dial him. He's been calling me.
Oh, okay.
He's been blowing me up. He needs to know if I'm getting arrested.
Okay.
And if you can, tell him Rod tried to call me.
Rod?
Yep. And Rod needs to show up right now. So we have the original deputy is walking.
I don't vote for this bullshit. This is very I don't vote for this.
Right, exactly. And that's the
This is
thing.
Allegan County. This isn't Macomb County, okay? Frank Baker, he's super disappointed right now.
Is that the sheriff?
Yes.
Oh, he's been already on the phone with Sheriff Darleaf, and they've been talking about it today. So he knows
Okay,
about this very
Dar's,
situation.
Berry County.
Yep.
This is Allegan County.
Yeah,
It's
that's why
better than that.
that's why Dar called over here. They've had a conversation.
Now, Dar's actual, he's a constitutional sheriff.
He is, in fact, he and I are both members of the Constitutional Sheriff and Peace Officers Association.
I'm getting you talking.
Hey, don't you guys have, like, some real business to do here?
Not his correct one.
No, we got enough problems in Allegan County. There we got break-ins.
okay.
I live just down over here, and there's always shit going on with the kids.
Oh yeah, no.
So you guys are harassing people here who are
I'm
lawfully
sorry.
within
Do you
their
want me
legal
to
rights.
do-
Doing what
Just
they're
go to your
doing.
dialer,
Send it to
and I'll
me.
dial it. All right, guys. So just hang tight. We'll see what's gonna pan out from this.
You're a deputy sheriff. You uphold the Constitution. Is that what you swore? Is that what you took an oath, sir? You shake your head. That's fine.
You know what's funny is
Part
they.
of the problem there, what's going on in the world nowadays.
And
here.
yeah, my husband needs to know they're
supposed to
trying to
at least
arrest me right
rely
now,
on the
and they're
sheriff's
telling me
department.
they think they're going to tow my car.
To uphold the Constitution. Everybody else is spitting and shitting on it.
You know what's interesting is that I'm trying to tell people, I've been trying to tell them from the beginning of all this garbage that I'm just following orders doesn't work. I'm just doing what the prosecutor told me doesn't work. Because abuse of prosecution or abuse of process and malicious prosecution are individual things that they can be held accountable for.
Yeah.
Not to mention the federal offense, 18 U.S.C. section 241, conspiracy. Oh, there's a third one coming out to arrest me. All right, guys, here's a third one.
Oh, he's bringing out the clerk.
Oh, and the clerk's coming out to tell me I'm not allowed to be here on public property.
I wonder if I should call my husband.
We all pay taxes. This is our building. This is the people's building.
Yep.
It's a township hall. It's a library.
But I don't know.
Yep, so we got at least 3.
They're trying to reach Rod.
Okay.
Okay. And Lori's been trying to call him too.
Okay.
My husband was Allegan County Sheriff. He's like, you're within your rights as long as
Yep.
you're off with others.
Yep.
As long as you're within.
Oh, the 100 feet is way over there.
I don't know the address right off the top of my
Okay,
head.
so you're aware. I know you two have already
It's Layton
met. So this is
Township
Mary Lou. She's the township supervisor.
I know.
Okay. So she already spoke with you.
I know, earlier today,
Okay.
and then I went back and we
So
kind of came up
She
with
has
it.
something to say.
Okay.
Okay.
I explained to you that we have this resolution that's going to not allow.
No, it says you do. It says you do. I'm just asking you guys to read it. Nothing in this resolution shall be construed to interfere with MCL 168.931K, which allows, guys, it allows a person to disseminate campaign literature on election day when a person is beyond 100 feet
We are not.
from an entrance.
We're not contesting MCL 160.
No, it's saying we have a right. It says this resolution says we have a right to be here. We're allowed to be here as long as we're beyond the 100 feet. That's what it says.
That part has nothing to do with this part.
What are you,
which
what
says
part?
You may not leave a vehicle on township property beyond the time necessary to transact township business.
But it says right here that nothing in this
That
is meant to.
does- But that does not say anything about leaving a vehicle on township property beyond township business hours.
So you were asked to leave. Okay. Do you understand that? So you were asked to leave. Are you willing to leave? Yes or no?
So all of you, let's see, this is Deputy Bustle. Am I saying that
Buffalo and
correct?
Anderson. Yep.
Deputy
Langlois,
Anderson,
Anderson.
Deputy Bustle, Deputy Anderson, and Deputy Langlois
It's all within my constitutional right to sign. Okay.
are telling me that they're going to arrest me.
I just see what you did.
You can, but you need to
Okay, well,
Can I-
get away from me a little bit. You don't have to-
Hold on a second. I know you just came, and I'm trying to be calm, but as you can tell, I'm a little. Just give me, just sir. Let me finish the sentence. Can I ask you
It's absolute bullshit.
5 minutes? Can I ask you for 5 minutes to talk about what the law actually says?
You've already talked to the supervisor. They've asked you to
She
leave.
has no right to stop me from being
Are
here.
you willing to leave? Yes or no?
You have no right to. You're
We have
violating
a-
the law.
Okay, we have a right to ask you.
Can you? No, you don't.
Prosecutor's is on board with the trespassing.
I don't care what the prosecutor says. You can't
Are
trespass.
you willing to leave?
I'm asking if you're willing to look at the
Are you
law.
willing to leave?
Possibly if you look at the law.
Okay. This has nothing to do with what she's requesting you.
Yeah, but she can't override the law.
Are you willing to leave?
This is Mary Lou, I can't read her last name, clerk of Layton Township. So also someone who's violating our rights.
My legal rights.
Go ahead and turn around.